Hello everyone! In this video I show you how to clean the inside of Tamron 28 to 300mm lens. Recently I had this lens which had some dust under the front lens element. As you zoom in and out, the lens collects dust inside the lens. Usually the dust sits between the front lens and the second lens element. Fortunately, it is very easy to remove the front lens and then clean the lens. So in this video I show you how to remove the front lens element, clean the lens inside, and then assemble the lens. Before I would start, let me talk about the tools that I will use to clean the lens. For this assembly I will use a PH30 screwdriver, a plastic tweezers, a suction cup, and a permanent marker. For cleaning the lens elements I will use an air pump, a brush, microfiber cloth, and lens cleaning fluid. For checking the surface of the lens elements, I will use a flashlight. If you're interested in buying them, then the links are in the description below. If you find that video useful, informative, and adds value to you, then like this video, subscribe to my channel, and consider donating. Links are in the description below. If you have anything to add to this video, then share it in the comment section below. So, let's get started. This is the lens which will be cleaned. As you can see, there are dust in the lens. Use the plastic tweezers to remove the front ring. There are 3 pins which are holding it. Remove the dust with a brush. Remove the screws. Remove the front cover ring. Mark the position of the front lens element. The lens is calibrated and should be at the same position as it was there originally. Remove the front lens using a suction cup. Hold the lens downwards and clean it with a brush and an air pump. Check the surface of the lens if there are any dust on it. clean it if it's needed. Let's continue with the front lens element. Clean the side of it with a brush. Place the front lens element on a microfiber cloth to avoid scratching it. Clean the inner side of it with the lens cleaning fluid and microfiber cloth. Check if there are any smudges or dust on the surface of the lens element. Put back the front lens element and align the marks. Clean the front cover ring with a brush. The white dot on the cover ring should be at the center of the lens. Put back the screws. Clean the side of the front lens with a brush and an air pump. Clean the front lens element with the cleaning fluid and microfiber cloth. put back the front cover ring. Those 3 pins should be in those 3 holes. We are done with cleaning the lens. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you find it useful, informative and adds value to you, then like this video, subscribe to my channel and consider donating. Links are in the description below. If you have anything to add to this video, then share it in the comment section below. See you next time in another video.